Hello everyone, this is Nitin Mohod and today we are going to see color coding of resistors. Many a times we are coming across the resistors in the laboratory, carbon composition resistors, on the surface of which there are the color codes given, and from the color codes we are required to find the value of the resistors. Carbon composition resistors are coded with color bands on their surface indicating value of resistance in ohms. Different colors are coded with different values as shown in the table. Here I want you to remember this statement: B.B. Roy Great built a very graceful White House. You just remember this statement or keep it in mind. Why I am asking you to keep this statement in mind? The reason is here B, B, R, O, Y, G, then B, then V, then G again, and W, they represent different colors from black, brown, red, orange, yellow to white, right? All these colors are appearing in an order and they are allotted the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So all the numbers from 0 to 9 are allotted to the different colors from black to white. And to remember this order, you have to keep this statement in mind. There can be resistors with 3 color bands on the surface of it, or 4 color bands, or 5 color bands, but in all cases first 3 bands always gives the value of resistance. We will first see how the value of 3 color band resistor is found. There is a general formula that first color band code means the digit which is associated with the first color band is written, then the digit associated with the second color band is written, multiplied by 10 raised to power, means 10 to the power third color band's code or third color band's digit is written, which gives the value of resistance in ohms. Now, one thing here must be clear to you that we are talking about 3 colors band, but when there is no 4th band, it means when only 3 color bands are there, at that time the tolerance is plus minus 20%. The meaning of tolerance is that this resistor can work in the range which is on plus side 20% and on minus side 20%. It will be more clear through the example, so we will go for the example first. Find the value of resistor with following color bands. Now the color bands given to us are brown, black and yellow. Just keep this formula in mind, and from this formula only we will find the value of resistor having these color bands. So here first color band is brown. So for brown we know the color code for brown it is 1. So digit 1 is written over here. For black the digit 0 is attached or associated with the black. Therefore 0 is written here. So for brown 1, for black 0. So for first color band and for second color band we have written the digit 1 and 0. Multiplied by 10 raised to power third color band's digit. Now third color band is yellow here, and yellow has got the digit 5, right? But we are starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will get here 4. Therefore we are getting 10 into 10 raised to power 4 ohms. And since no 4th band is there, only 3 color bands are there, the tolerance will be plus minus 20%. So this is the value of the resistance for the resistor having these color bands. And this is nothing but 10 into 10 raised to power 4 means 100 kilo ohms plus minus 20%. Now what is the meaning of plus minus 20%? 100 kilo ohm, if you take the 20% of 100 kilo ohm, it will be 20 kilo ohm. So you add 20 kilo ohms to this, so you will get 120 kilo ohms, and you subtract 20 kilo ohms from this, so you will get 80 kilo ohms. It means this resistor with these color bands on its surface can work safely in between the range of 80 kilo ohms to 120 kilo ohms. One more example we will see here. Here the color codes given are brown, red and again red. Brown, the first digit associated with brown is 1. Then the color red is there. So with red the digit associated is 2. So 1, 2 into 10 raised to power. Again red, so 10 raised to power 2. So this gives 12 into 10 raised to power 2 plus minus 20%. Again there is no 4th band, therefore plus minus 20%. This value comes out to be 1200 ohm plus minus 20%. Now 20% of 1200 is 240. So you add 240 to this, so you will get 1440, and you subtract 240 from 1200, so you will get 960 ohm. It means this resistor with these color bands can work safely between 960 ohm to 1440 ohm. Then resistor with 4 color bands. After 3 color bands, we are moving on to 4 color bands. Here, the first 3 band provides the value of resistance as usual, while the 4th band is a tolerance band. Now, when the 4 color bands are there, 3 color bands work as usual, as we have seen in the previous example, but the 4th color band, this is dealing with the tolerance. Now there are only 2 colors in the 4th color band, that are silver and golden. If it's a silver color, then the tolerance will be plus minus 10%, but if it's a golden color, that is 4th color band is golden, then the tolerance will be plus minus 5%. Again, we will see one example of 4 color band resistor. Here there are 4 color bands shown: brown, black, red and gold. Now the first color band, brown, for which the digit associated is 1, so 1 is written. For black, 0 is written. Multiplied by 10 raised to power. For red, again 2, so raised to power 2. Plus minus, since 4th color band is gold, and gold means tolerance of plus minus 5%, so we have written here plus minus 5%. 10 into 10 raised to power 2, that is 1 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. Now 1 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. So 5% of 1 kilo ohm is 50 ohms. Therefore, you can add 50 ohms and you can subtract 50 ohm from 1 kilo ohm, and therefore you will get the range of the resistor in which with these color bands can work safely will be from 950 ohms to 1050. One thing you must keep in mind here, that you must start considering the colors from the edge of the resistor. So where the edge, the color which is very near to the edge, from that color you should start considering the colors for finding the value of resistance. Or otherwise, where in the 4 color band, if you find golden color band or silver color band, then you can start from the opposite side, opposite end of the resistor, and then also you will get the same value. So this is the method how to start measuring how to start considering the colors for finding the value of resistance. Again, one more example here we are seeing, that is brown, red, yellow and silver. Now for brown that is 1, so 1 is written. For red it is 2, it is also written. Into 10 raised to power, for yellow 4, as we have seen already. Plus minus, here the 4th color band is silver, so plus minus 10%, and that gives me 120 kilo ohm plus minus 10%. Now for 120 kilo ohm, 10% is nothing but the 12 kilo ohm. So you add 12 kilo ohm and you subtract 12 kilo ohms from this, and you will get 108 kilo ohm to 132 kilo ohm. This is the range in which the resistor with these color bands can work safely. Then it comes resistors under 10 ohm. 10 ohm means whose value is less than 10 ohm. So here only 3 bands are there, and 3rd band is either golden or silver. See, before this we have seen that golden or silver band was appearing at the 4th position, but for the resistors under 10 ohm, the golden or silver band appears at the 3rd position only, and there are only 3 bands for this. So here 3rd band is either golden or silver, indicating fractional multiplier. Here golden and silver never represents, means 3rd band golden or silver never represents the tolerance, but here the 3rd band, which is golden or silver, that represents the fractional multiplier. If it's a golden band, if the 3rd band is the golden band, the multiplier will be 0.1, and if it's a silver band, then the multiplier will be 0.01. You remember this for the resistors under 10 ohm. While 4th band is a tolerance band as usual. Means, see, there are 2 chances now. It may be a 3-band resistor, or it may be 4-band resistor. In 3-band resistor, if you are getting 3rd band golden or silver, then it will be a fractional multiplier. And if you are getting golden or silver at the fourth position, then it will be a tolerance. So you should differentiate this to get it clarified. Example, value of resistor with color bands. Now here different colors are written: orange, white, gold, silver. Now see here it's a 4 color band, but the third color band is gold. It means this is the indication that it indicates that value of this resistor will be less than 10 ohm. So orange, white, gold and silver. So this gold represents the multiplier, fractional multiplier, because it is at third position, and at the fourth position silver is there, so it represents naturally the tolerance. So therefore for orange, here we are writing 3 as the first digit associated with orange color. For white, naturally 9, the last one, multiplied by gold. Gold is 0.1. So fractional multiplier, since it's a multiplier, we'll have to multiply it, not 10 raised to power we'll have to take here. So here you will have to multiply it by 0.1. So 39 multiplied by 0.1 plus minus 10%. Why 10%? Because silver is the fourth color band, which is a tolerance band. So this is fractional multiplier band and this is tolerance band. So the value of this resistor with the colors shown will be 3.9 ohms plus minus 10%. One more example we will see. Value of resistor with color bands violet, red, silver and gold. Again you see the third color band. Third color band is silver, so naturally again there will be a fractional multiplier, and gold is a tolerance, for tolerance here. So here violet, 7 is the digit associated with, as we have seen in the table. Then red, 2 is the digit associated with it, multiplied by, for silver the multiplier is 0.01, so we have multiplied it by 0.01 plus minus gold, that is 5%. So 0.72 ohms plus minus 5% will be the value of resistor with these color codes. I hope up to this is clear to you. Now we are going for the last part, that is resistor with 5 color bands. Now see, every band has got its own importance. We have seen up to 4 color bands. Now for 5 color bands we will see what is the difference. Here the first 4 band represents value of resistance with tolerance as usual, while the 5th band indicates the reliability as follows. Reliability means how reliable the resistor is. And reliability band, that is the 5th band, may be either brown or it may be red or it may be orange. So there are only 3 colors so far the reliability is to be described. And we have already seen in the last slide that so far the tolerance is concerned, there are 2 bands, golden and silver, right? And so far the fractional multiplier is concerned, again the 2 band, golden and silver. But here for reliability there are 3 colors, brown, red and orange. And the reliability is for brown 1%, for red it is 0.1%, for orange it is 0.01%. Means for orange it is least, for brown it is more. Obtain the value of resistor from the given color bands. Now here 5 color bands are given: red, black, orange, silver and brown. Since it's a 5 color band, naturally reliability will be there, right? So first 3 bands we will see first. So first is red. For red the equivalent digit is 2. For black the equivalent digit is 0. For orange 10 raised to power. Since third band is not golden or silver, therefore this resistor is not under 10 ohm, but this resistor is having value more than 10 ohm. So for orange 10 raised to power we will have to take, so 10 raised to power 3. For orange it is 3. Then comes silver, that is for tolerance. For silver tolerance is 10%, so we are writing plus minus 10%. We will write it here. And thereafter comes brown, and for brown the reliability is 1%. So we can say the value of the resistor with these color bands is 20 into 10 raised to power 3 ohms plus minus 10% with reliability of 1%. So this is all about the resistors with different number of color bands. We have seen here 3 color band resistor, 4 color band resistor and 5 color band resistor. I hope the idea of resistor and value calculation of the value of the resistance is clear to you. Now the last part, That is why the resistors have power ratings. We already mentioned in the previous video that the resistivity of the or resistance of the resistor and the power ratings are the important characteristics while choosing the resistor. The question is why the resistors have power rating. When current flows through the resistor, power consumption takes place, resulting in heat measured in watts. And if this heat exceeds the resistive material, may get damage. Means if the heat exceeds, the resistive material may get damaged. So this heat should be in limit. So that decides what? That decides the power dissipation or power ratings of that how much power it can easily handle. How much power the resistor can easily handle. That is decided by the power ratings. So that's why power rating plays important role. As you know, the formula for power, that is power is equal to work upon time. Work in terms of formula is written as V into I into T, that is voltage into current into time, whole divided by small t. Here T and this T will get cancelled out, and that is equal to, you will get V into I. Means power P can be written as P is equal to V into I watts. Watt is a unit of power. Now P is equal to, for V I can write according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So for V I can replace V by I into R, and this I as it is. So I will get this is I square R, I will get on this right side. And since I am getting I square R, and if I want to find out the value of I will get under root of P upon R, or P upon R raised to power half. From the power ratings, maximum current rating can be obtained. So here you can see this power rating and this current is proportional to each other, because R, the value of resistance, will be constant, so power will be proportional to current. Okay, so here from the power ratings, maximum current rating can be obtained. Resistor coding using characters. We have already seen the resistors are coded with the different color bands on its surface. There is another method of coding the resistors, and that is by writing some characters. So which characters are they? These are E, capital K, capital M, and capital R. These are the 4 characters which are used for coding resistors, where these characters comes in between 2 decimal numbers as shown. And how they define it? See, if it is written 2E5, first character we have used 2E5, then it will be a E stands for here the point, that is decimal point, so it will be a 2.5 ohm resistor. It will be a 2.5 ohm resistor. Then comes K. K has got the usual meaning 3K6. Now K comes in between. It is not 36K. It is 3K6, means it's 3.6 kilo ohms, means 3600 ohm. Then comes 9M7. M has got the value of mega ohm. Mega ohm we used to call, that is 10 raised to power 6. But here as M comes in between, it is 9.7 mega ohms. And last is R. If somebody writes it like R4, so it will be a 0.4 ohm resistor. So these are some indications that resistors can be coded like this also sometimes, but many a times carbon composition resistors, they are coded with the color bands on the surface of it. I hope the idea of resistors, their color codings, they are using different characters and coding the value of resistances is clear to you. Thank you.